Hey guys, it's your girl Aurie and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today is a cool down routine to do after your workout to relax your muscles. Alright, so if you have not done it already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let's go! So we start with child pose. If you want, you can slow down this video so then you have more time than 30 seconds to do this pose. Basically, this is the first one you should do every time you finish a workout. This one is chill and relaxing, so here you can just get back into a normal state. So enjoy this position for another 5 seconds. Pigeon pose, I like this one. So stretch your head behind as far as possible, just to feel it, feel the stretch, and after that, if you can, only if you can, put your forehead on the ground. Same thing on the other side, so stretch well behind until now, where you slowly go as low as possible, forehead on the ground. Now slowly get ready. Now we can start our cobra pose. So again, we want to have our head fully extended behind, arms straight if possible. Then slowly put your elbows on the ground and keep your head up. Since we're on the ground, we want to put our shoulder, actually our full arm, underneath the other, so then we can stretch and put some pressure on our shoulder. If you can have your forehead on the ground, that's also very good. And normally you should feel something, a sensation in your shoulder. That's really good, especially if you work your upper body today. Now you have a few seconds to put yourself in the other direction. So other shoulder, same thing, forehead on the ground if possible, fully on the ground, and stretch for another 20 seconds. Okay, this one is my favorite. You want to grab your toes and then put your whole body behind your head. So it looks a bit weird, but I assure you when you do that, you can feel everything from your lower back all the way to your legs. That's relaxing. I know you know it. Okay, now very common position. You put one leg on one direction and you look on the opposite direction. It doesn't matter which side, we will do both anyway. Now I told you the other direction, easy. I don't know for you, but seriously, cool down is my favorite part. I know I like to work out, but when it comes to cooling down my body, it's just like, I love it, because I feel like my muscles need it right now. And yeah, it's the perfect time to do it. Feel free to redo that routine, I don't know, morning or evening. Sometimes I do as well, just to relax and enhance your flexibility. Okay, knee hug. So this one is just like, it's like the child pose, you know, this kind of pose that everyone likes. It's like, yeah, I'm working out, like, no, you're cooling down. But yes, this one is definitely one that we like to do. So enjoy yourself, do some circles, one direction, the other direction, left, right, forward, backward, up to you. Now, because we want to stretch everything, put your elbows and push it behind as far as possible. Really try to keep that pressure, you know, and then hold it for another 20 seconds. And because we don't do one direction without doing the other, we do the other arm. I'm saying direction, but that's just the opposite side, you know. You hear me. I know for some of you it might be a bit painful to stay on the knees right there, but that's actually how I want you to be for the next position. So stay here. If you can't, just try your best. Maybe the next two exercises might not be for you, but that's all right. Try your best, at least to try. Because now I will ask you to slowly, at least first, go on your elbows behind. So your knees are there and you will feel that sensation in your quads. That's normal. It's to stretch them. So try to stay there as close as the ground as possible, but don't go too far because that will be the next movement. And now you want to go down a little bit more. So for those of you, and I'm not even there yet, you will be able to be flat, you know, your back on the floor. So that's really good, amazing. Congratulations, guys. For others, you'll probably be like me. For some of you, you might not be able to go further down. That's okay. Don't worry. It's again, flexibility, your muscles, resistance, and lots of things. So it will come, but give yourself a bit of time. Now, step by step, you want to go back in the normal position. So you only release one leg and you want to put your head as close as possible to your knee. If you can't, that's fine. Just try your best to go as far as possible, keeping your back straight. And now we do the other leg. Take your time, breathe in, and as you breathe out, you want to go down, head on your knee. Neck is really important, never forget. So try to have your position here where your toes are on the ground, so at least it will stretch your calves while you are stretching your neck. So you want to do circles and then hold it one side and then your full circle, actually half a circle, and then hold it on one side. All of that while your calves are stretching. Okay, this one is one of my favorite as well. So you have one leg on the ground, you grab one arm, put it around, hold behind so it will stretch behind your shoulder. Try to stay as straight as possible, looking forward. You will feel it behind your shoulder. Same thing now on the other direction. So you grab your other arm, put it around, look forward and stretch. And that's it, really. 10 minutes of stretching to enhance your flexibility, trigger the recovery of your muscles so you will feel better and ready for another workout. So, if you enjoyed that video, make sure you know what to do. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and I see you in another one.